Dawn's Inspirations here. If you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram, please do so you don't miss out on anything. I wanted to share some of the finished samples from yesterday's HobbyMaker show. So these were the Slimline Mix and Match Folios. Okay, so let me just move these to one side because I was going to just share through some that you may not have seen on TV because there was lots of lovely samples, and I do like to let you see the other ones because it's quite nice to give you inspiration for ways that you could use yours. So this one has been covered with the pattern papers but not finished decorating. This was done by Heather from my design team. So you can see by changing up the cardstock and the pattern papers, you can give these a totally different look. So we go from something quite bright to something fun for Christmas for the children. So this could be a baby's first Christmas. So it just shows by changing the papers and the cardstock that she's used here, you're giving these a totally different look. So Heather has done these in the configuration of layout like style 1, style 2, style 3, style 4 and style 6. But remember, with this online workshop, you can mix and match the pages to suit you. This is the nice thing about it. So it's just giving you some ideas by changing the papers, by changing the cardstock, how it looks totally different. You can see that just from those three there alone. So let me bring in the matching set. So here I've got a matching set all done in the same paper collection, and I'll leave a link below the video as well of the free video where you can make the little storage as well, because they fit inside there very nicely. But by using the same collection, you get a totally different look. You get a uniformed look. So it doesn't matter which way you do the layouts. That's the nice thing about it. These make great gifts. So if you're still thinking Christmas with gifts, these are just perfect. Really quick and easy to do with your A4 card, and just perfect to pass on to people, ready for them to add their own photographs. So here's another one here. But can you see, by having the same paper collection, you're giving it a totally different look. So it's just lovely to put all one event in. And I just love the fact that you can mix and match these to suit your photographs. So that's the great thing as well. You know, lots of pockets for places and memorabilia to go in here as well. So just absolutely perfect to be used. So that is a lovely set of 3, and of course all in the same paper collection. So that was an old Kaisercraft collection that I've used for that one, and I've made a storage box as well. It was just a collection I had at home. But then you've got a new collection here. This is made from all the Arden collections. So I've got Hidden Creek, Laurel Grove and Remembering. So let's start with Remembering. So this is showing how you can use them on their own as a standalone little folio. Really quick and easy to make, but you can have them as a little standalone. You don't have to make them into sets if you don't want to. That's the great thing about it. So again, by changing cardstock, changing your decorative papers, you're giving these a totally different look. So if I bring that one in, that's done with different cardstock, different papers. So you're getting a totally different feel going on here. This is the nice thing about it. So you can make these personal to anyone. Let's bring the last collection in here. This is the Laurel Grove, totally different look again. We've got the waterfall. I've done my waterfalls in portrait, but you could quite easily have them in landscape as well. That is the great thing about them. You mix and match to suit what you want. So different paper collections there from the same companies. You can make them single folios. You could have them all together as one, like here. So you could have the whole lot. All three, if you do all three as configurations 1 to 6, these will hold over 105 photographs. But again, from the design team, different pattern papers gives a different look. And then I've got another set here if you need any more inspiration. Just going on with, oh, upside down, Dawn. Just going in with a lovely seaside vibe. So there's just lots of occasions these can be used for. There's lots of ways that these can be used. And this is the nice thing about them. So this is my Mix and Match Slimline Folios from Dawn's Inspirations. I'll leave the link below, but I thought I would share with you some of the samples from yesterday's TV show in case you missed it. Bye for now.